Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick project share. Getting ready to dash out the door, but I just want to show you because a lot of stuff I work on, I don't always get to show you because I forget and I'm working on projects with friends and stuff. This is another friend project. One of my scrapbooking buddies, ex-co-worker, all of us scrapbook together. Anyway, she's getting married in May, so the other ones on our team, we having a girls' weekend, just getting everything prepped for the bridal shower next weekend, where we're actually working on the projects. So each one of us has different duties and different things, and then we coming together to assemble everything and put it together. She's a pearls girl, I mean, like very elegant and stuff. So her wedding is going to be like off the top chart with all these beautiful flowers and everything. So we're trying to come up with a thing for the bridal shower, and I was like, well, you know, diamonds and pearls, they go together. So this is a diamond-centered bridal shower that's going to be next weekend, but the colors are blush, sage, and like silver, creamish. It's like a creamish silver color. I got the actual technical name. But anyway, so what I made was I used some of the Recollections 65-pound cardstock. I used some of the silvery Nina 65-pound silvery paper, which I actually got. Check your ollies if you have the ollies. It's like a big lots. They had like 100 sheets for $2.99 of Nina paper of the silvery pearl and the white pearlized paper. Can't beat those prices. I showed it a while back in the haul. I used this Paper Studio banner or flag punch. This is Martha Stewart ring punch. This Teresa Collins diamonds punch. And this is Love Nicole circle punch. So first thing I had to make was these little pockets, and I'm so mad because I spritzed them with some Lindsay gang, what do you call it, mister, that put a little ghost tint, which you're not going to be able to see the pearlized effect on the paper, but it's pretty, but it just made it bend up. But it's okay, because once we stick the games in it, these are just pockets to put some of the bridal shower games in. So I just put the diamond and the diamond ring, and then I just used some dollar store bling, the one that came on a sheet mesh, and I cut it up. I'm making the napkin rings right here. You can see that. So of course that's just the diamond ring on a circle punch. I had to make the little cupcake topper. So that's a little banner punch, and that's the ring punch as well. And then I also had to make these little for you tags. I didn't have one that said thank you, but they say for you. These the AliExpress stamp and tag set. Sorry, so the lighting. These are gonna hang off the little purses that we're putting mints in. What else we've got? The large flowers that we're gonna assemble and put those together today, and so much other stuff. So you're gonna leave, but I want to do a real quick shift just to show you some stuff that I don't always show when we do stuff like bridal showers and baby showers. I don't always show, unless I'm doing an album, some of the background stuff that we do for party prepping. But I thought today, you know what, I will show it. So I do a lot of that too, that I don't necessarily put on YouTube, that I craft doing parties and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.